Rick Ross shows off his newly completed 1973 Chevy Impala Donk.
It's that car show vibe right here. This when you get near to that car show. We get near to that car show June 1st. Get your tickets right now. This car show gonna be bigger than ever. Trust me, when the boss lets you know, it's gonna be bigger than ever. RickRossCarShow.com. And the streets got one question. Where the f your car, nigga? It's time to charge your batteries. Get your cars out, baby. You'll love to see Ricky Ross come jump your car, huh? Hit me right now. I may come jump one of you cars right now. I may pull up and jump one of you cars because the streets want to know where your car at. Where your car at? Car show coming up. Crank them motherfuckers up, nigga. Yeah, I want you to hear. Yeah, hear me cranking for the first time. Where your car at, nigga? Where your car at, nigga? Where your car at, nigga? Where your car at? You ain't never seen this? You ain't never been through this? That's fine. But where your car at, nigga? Where your car at? Where your car at?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
If you in the RC world, if you rock with the planes, the helicopters, and trust me, this ain't all of them, you feel me? If you in the RC world, bring your RC shit out there. I may buy all that shit from you. I may race you, whatever, you know what I'm saying? We do all that, you know what I mean? Because when you at the car show, I'm out there all day. You know what I mean? I'm up early in the morning out there swerving around. Let's crank this shit up. This is my favorite RC truck. Of course, it's gas powered, but let me tell you this. If this truck hits you in the leg, your leg is gone. It's gone, it's over. When you first start flying RC planes, this is what you end up with. You understand? That's what you end up with. You're gonna crash and wreck everything. Everything. I got this shit off the ground maybe 3 feet, and it never got any higher. You start playing over here with vibes like this, you know, different sizes. You could Google and see when the homie landed that on my street. This was a gift from a special person. Much love, appreciate it. Where your car? I got a lot of work to do, but I'm getting there ready. I'm getting there ready. Where your car? Where your car? Come on, what y'all playing? Y'all playing chess or checkers? Is it chess or checkers? Where your car at? an alarm off in this bitch. That bitch set an alarm off. Where your car? June 1st, I look forward to seeing all my favorite brands, the huge companies, 4G Auto Wheels, Bear Brakes, Willwood Brakes, Goodyear Tires. We love you brands for a reason. This Rick Ross Car Show is a great platform to really meet the people who really support the brands. June 1st is going down, major way. All the heavyweights will be in the building. Ricky Rose, I'm coming with my fleet. All the defending champs will be in the building. And you know it don't stop there. So like I say, I look forward to seeing all the huge companies. Let's go, baby. Let's take it to the next level. Boss. That's what y'all don't know. You see that Chevy Daytona 500 was yesterday, and they wanted that thing in there. That's an Indy 500 in the Donk. That's an Indy 500 inside a Donk. Hey, cocaína. Oye, coca. I need you to tell him this in Espanol. My Pitbull. My Chico 305 Pitbull. All my Latinos. Who else are my Latinos with the cars? Anuel, Spiff, TV, Parruco. Who else? Give me some. Matter of fact, say it in Spanish for me so they know this is my cocaína brother right here. This is my cocaína brother. Give him that in Spanish. Give him that talk.
Rick Ross Car and Bike Show. Una cultura, un propósito, buena música, buenos carros, buenas vibras. ¿Dónde están los latinos? Los camiones grandes de Texas, Farruko, Anuel, Pitbull. Let's go, guys. All one love.
Let's go! They call me Gordito! Guillermo. And Texas, what's happening? Dallas, Austin, H-Town, what's up? Yeah, Slim Thug, man, bring that beautiful fleet out there. Y'all niggas, come on out, man. Make them niggas have to walk around them motherfucking swingers like that. Make them niggas have to go around like that. Yeah, bring them out there. Let's go, H-Town.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.